Ing tutuking programa, mituringan niyang rated PG. Kailangan ing patnube at gabeding pengari para karing kayanakan amanalbe.
Halina't makisabay sa mga talakayan na mas pinananabikan, mga usaping napapanahon, kwentuhang mas kinagigiliwan. Dito lamang sa Lifestyle at Iba Pa. Samahan sina Benny G, Ching Pangilinan at Reden Halili sa kanilang pagharap sa mga issues at kaganapan na siguradong magbibigay kulay at karagdagang kaalaman sa inyong araw-araw na pamumuhay. Lifestyle at Iba Pa.
Magandang araw po mga friends, magsama-sama tayo sa loob ng isang oras para bigyan kayo ng mga impormasyon, kaalaman sa pamamagitan ng ating mga inimbitang bisita. Live stream din po tayo sa FB page ng GNN44 Pampanga. Pwede kayong mag-comment, mag-suggest para lalong mapaganda ang ating programa. Ako po si Benny G at gusto ko rin ipakilala sa inyo ang ating bagong-bagong host, inimbitang host. Mga kaibigan, palakpakan naman ninyo si Miss Carmi Tolentino.
Ayan, maraming salamat Tito Benny sa pag-invite sa akin dito sa show natin, no? It's first time, pero I'm really excited to to co-host with you.
Ito pa ang ating kasamang isa.
Hi friends! Ako po si Ina Yap.
Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Tipid mo!
Welcome muna natin si Carmi.
Yes.
Welcome sa
Salamat.
Lifestyle at Iba Pa. Ang ganda ng mga co-host mo. Ang
Aba,
ganda ng
syempre.
guest din natin
Oo.
for today, Tito Benny.
Talaga swerte ako. No?
Oo, totoo yan. Nag-birthday ka kasi. Belated
Alright.
happy birthday!
Thank you. Salamat sa
Anong
inyo.
wish mo for your birthday?
Sana magtagal itong lifestyle at iba
Of
pa.
course.
Yes.
Yes. Suportahan natin ang Lifestyle at Iba Pa.
Oh, actually, yung last episode natin sa season 1 na ito. Sana magkaroon pa na season 2, season 3, season 4, etc. etc. At ngayon, pakilala ko naman ang ating bisita. No? Sa po ay model, DJ, at ngayon ay acting officer, legal officer ng City of Mabalacat.
Wow.
Walang iba po, kung hindi ating kaibigan, Attorney Tanya Dinga.
Hello, good afternoon po sa lahat ng televiewers at audience po natin sa ating Lifestyle at Iba Pa. Good afternoon, Sir Benny. Good afternoon, Miss Ina. And good afternoon, Miss Carmi.
Good afternoon.
Napakaganda na afternoon na.
Oh, siyempre. Siyempre, yung last episode ng first season, season 1, kailangan magaganda.
Very
oh.
special.
Tama.
Alam mo, ingit na ingit si Kwan yan, si Konsihal.
Si Councilor Reden.
Congratulations pala, ha?
Miss Shing,
Congratulations sa Konsihal Reden Alili. Alili.
Re-elected
Re-elected.
Oh.
City Councilor San Fernando.
Ano ba pag-uusapan natin?
Siyempre, pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung
Usapang
Personal.
personalan. Yan. So, bali si Carmi, kahit host siya, pwede natin tanungin, di ba?
Oo.
Wow.
Oo. Siyempre.
Meron na punta
Oo,
sa
sige.
spotlight.
Oo.
Medyo nagulat siya, Tito
Nagulat
Benny.
ako. Impromptu yun, Tito. Hindi ko ina-expect.
First time na maging host ng lifestyle. Pero sanay na yan sa TV.
Oo naman. Actually, silang dalawa yata. Sanay na sanay
na
sila.
Si attorney ay taga GNN din yan. Pero Manila siya.
Anong
Kaya-
feeling, attorney, at nakabalik ka dito? Pero dito ng Pampanga naman.
Feels like home.
Yes! Feels like home, of course.
like
It will
home.
always be your home.
Yes.
At magiging bisita na rin natin siya palagi.
Tama.
Regular.
Wow. Nice to know.
Simulan muna, Tito Benny. Simulan na natin ang ating chikahan with Attorney Tanya.
Attorney,
Yes.
sino ba si Attorney Tanya bago maging abogada?
Wow.
No?
Bago ako naging abogada, marami akong pinagdaanan
Yan.
sa buhay. So, meron mga ups and downs and all that until I passed the bar exam. And now, I'm the acting city legal officer for Mabalacat.
Yes. Tingnan mo, ano? Acting legal officer yan.
Anong year ang ka nakapasa sa bar?
I took the bar exams in 2016 and I was admitted in the bar last 2017.
Wow.
Isa lang yan, ha?
It's quietly
One
new
thing.
lang, 2016.
Yeah, recently, 2 years ago.
Pero, attorney, bago ka naging lawyer, ano yung ginagawa mo noon?
Okay, paano ko ba
Yeah,
umpisahan?
parang what
Ah.
are your priorities before you
We
took
heard you
law
were
school?
a model.
Yes. Before I took the bar exams, I was focused on studying also. But then nag-modeling din ako and then sumali din ako sa reality TV. So marami. I was also a makeup artist then. Dami akong basta.
Dami!
Yes.
Jack of all
Dami racket.
Multi-talented si attorney.
Ayun.
Kaya nga. Diba? Nung nagmo-model ka, anong modeling tawag doon? Meron kang agency, modeling?
No, I work independently.
Freelance.
So, hawak ko yung oras ko. Since I was focused on studying nga, so kung may offer sila sa akin, I'll just check kung available yung schedule and all that para hindi siya makahinder sa pag-aaral.
Pero up to, nowadays, attorney, nagmo-modeling ka pa rin ba?
I'm
Are
taking
you
pa
upset?
minsan na from friends and close or matagal ko na nakatrabaho or if they're asking for favors na pwede ka bang mag-model for this and that. I allow them naman. Pero of course, parang may specific pegs na lang tayong tinatanggap since we're already in the legal profession. Para,
So,
di ba?
what do you miss about it? Nung, mga panahon na nagmo-model ka, ganyan. Anong nami-miss mo? Pinaka nami-miss mo?
Meron ba? Kasi up to now, kahit pa paano, meron naman akong na-accept na projects eh.
Siyempre.
Yes. Siguro yung difference lang kasi noon parang may limits lang ngayon.
Yes.
Kasi of course, I work with the government. You have to you have to have that kind of presentation na kind of different and professional na.
Pero nagpa-practice ka bago ka napunta sa
Yes,
sa
I
government.
used to have a law firm in Cubao, but then I focus na lang here din sa Pampanga, which is basically my home. So mas okay dito. So
mas maganda rito, no?
yes.
May question ako. Ano ang pagkakaiba nung nagmo-model ka, nagra-ramp ka, ngayon nasa korte ka na?
Legal side.
Sa legal side.
Yan.
Pareho lang.
Pare-
Isa lang sinasabi nila, maganda pa rin ako.
Yes, totoo yan. Totoo yan, Miss Tanya.
no doubt.
Hindi na natin yan mapagkakaila.
Siguro, difference lang kasi the people you meet now, you can talk about a lot of things kasi mas sila learned about sa mga tao, kasi yun yung trabaho ko sa mga tao, sa mga legal unlike before you talk about things lang like saan ka mas maganda, saan ka mas viable sa mga tao, things like that.
Yes,
Pero-
curious ako,
sige, tawag.
attorney. Yung before, yung iyong pre-law, ano ang bachelor's degree mo or undergrad?
I took up BS Psychology. And then, actually, my parents were expecting that I'll take up medicine after that.
What made you
Pero-
decide to shift to law?
Bakit nga ba? Siguro mas I find it more interesting yung legal profession kasi it applies to all. Sa araw-araw may na-experience kang mga problema. And then, kaya normal kang teacher ka, kaya engineer ka, you always have that kind of legal problem. So, I think it's more interesting than, of course, although araw-araw man tayo nagkakasakit, but
Anong forte mo, attorney? Corporate o criminal mga cases o mga civil cases?
right now kasi I work with the government, so more on admin daw po kami ngayon. The local government code, ordinances, and
Pero ikaw, if ikaw attorney masusunod, ano yung parang mas gusto mong biglang focus?
focus. Actually, wag lang tax. Wag lang tax.
Bakit nasabi mo na
Ang
wag
hirap
ang
eh.
tax?
Of all the law subjects that I took, ang tax talaga ako, hirap talaga. It's more of computation.
Bakit pagdating sa tax, hirap na hirap?
Actually, kahit hindi ka abogado, di ba? Kahit
Pag numero na pinag-uusapan at ang math na.
Money
wala
matters.
na.
Mahirap.
Maghanap ka ngayon nung accountant. Baka pwede ka.
mag-handle.
Lawyer, CPA. Diba?
Correct.
Pero kung wala ka sa government office, ano yung paborito mong hinahawakang kaso?
Ang pinakamataas kong grade when I took the bar exam is criminal law
Oh,
and labor law.
Pang,
You're more on the criminal side.
pang-prosecute o pang
Either
defense?
way. Either way,
Oh, galing talaga. Ano tanong mo?
Iisip pa nga para kay attorney eh. De, eto na lang, attorney. Nung, when you're taking up law school, ano yung yan, yung mga nanonood nating mga nasa law school, no? Ano yung pinakamahirap na subject o yung pinagdaanan mo nung law school days mo?
Actually, if you're gonna think about it, pare-pareho lang sila eh. It's just matter of comprehension. So, pag binasa mo, you have to make sure that you understand what you read and you absorb it. Kasi, ang binabasa namin, ang na-assign sa amin, more than 100 pages a day.
Totoo ba na memorization din ang sa pag nag-aral ka ng law?
Well, depende sa study habits mo. I have classmates who do that, nagme-memorize sila. But on my part, kasi it's more of comprehension. If you understand it, you don't have to actually memorize it kasi you can actually relay that what you read and you can actually tell it in other way nga lang. Siguro it's more of common English, hindi lang legal pero if you understand it, actually masasabi mo naman siya sa recitation eh. So, ayun.
Parang ikaw din.
Ano, Tito Ben?
Galing ka sa recitation.
Ano recitation? si Carmi, baka
Yes,
may
nung
question
mga
siya.
nakaraang bars, 2 bars, medyo nagde-decline yung number of passers natin, no? Ano yung masasabi mo sa mga retakers or yung mga na-frustrate kasi hindi nakakapasa? Pero ikaw, one take na.
Never give up lang. Kasi if it's really your dream and it's your passion, di ba? No one actually can stop you. Kasi ang dami nating amang obstacles talagang mangyayari sa buhay natin, no matter what. Di ba? Kay bar exam yan, kung ano man yan. Pero it's up to you. If you're really determined and strong-willed to pursue your dreams, then go for it. Di ba?
Was law really your passion? Kaya talagang nag-excel ka dito?
I don't really know. Gusto kong mag-artista talaga. But then,
Why
napunta
not?
ako dito. No, siguro, bata pa ako, sinasabi ko sa mother ko na I want to be a lawyer. But I never dreamt na, or imagining myself inside the courtroom, which is odd. And then when I was working in a country club somewhere here in Clark, sabi ko parang hindi ganito yung buhay na gusto ko. And then I entered law school. So I was a working student then. So I was working in the morning and then I study at night. Tapos nung pagdating ko sa law school and I find it really interesting, sabi ko, andito na ako, tatapusin ko na siya. So, nung pagka-graduate ko, nag-graduate na ako. So, magte-take na ako ng bar. So yun, thankfully, pumasa naman.
Ang galing na manage ni attorney.
O, siyempre. Pero marami pa rin tayong pag-uusapan sa ating pagbabalik. Huwag po kayong maalis at magbabalik ang lifestyle at iba pa.
Uy! Uy!
Try the new pan pizza, only at Pizza Hut.
Bes, wala na kami. Kanyan ko kasi lalaki. Yan ako may kontento.
Minsan kasi, siya na ikingarap mo yung para gama. Mantong pa pangaliwa.
Mama, ano ginagawa mo?
Ponya? Halika,
At may ituturo si nanay.
Roll it,
Roll it,
squeeze it,
squeeze it,
dip it,
dip it.
eat it.
Mama, may nakalimutan ka.
Ano yun?
Share it! Pani Carlo, i-share mo!
Nagbabalik po ang ating programang Lifestyle at iba pa. Kasama pa rin natin si Attorney Tanya at ang aking co-host na si Miss Carmi Tolentino.
Yes, thank you.
Kumusta ka na, Carmi?
Okay naman, Tito Benny. So far, nag-enjoy ako.
Enjoy ka ba sa
It's a
program
very
natin?
new experience, pero...
New experience, ha?
Yes.
Attorney, kanina pinag-uusapan natin yung pag-aaral, pagta-transfer kung saan-saan, di ba? Hindi ka ba nahirapan nun?
Hindi naman kasi ang goal ko naman is makapagtapos eh. So kung ano yung pag may gusto ka at mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, parang walang mahirap. Lalo kung sa part ko kasi at the time working student ako, pagod ako. So nadjujumble naman lahat ng
Nung salukuyan mo nagre-review, di ba?
Yes.
Paano ang mga preparasyon na ginawa mo? Kasi meron kang modeling, meron kang DJing, tapos ito, nag-aaral ka pa, nagre-review ka pa.
So,
Paano mo
bali,
pinagsabay-sabay?
ginawan ko siya ng schedule, time management.
Okay.
Kunyari for this week, I'll review commercial law review and then the next month, political law naman. Tapos, pag may mga offers, I'll check muna yung schedule, kaya pa ba? So, kung kaya namang i-squeeze in yung schedule, then I'll go for it. And then if not, then I'll tell naman na hindi na pwede kasi malapit na yung bar exams. I have to review na. Actually, I was in a reality show months before bar exams eh. So,
Ano ito reality show na?
it's in another network.
Oh, okay
Pero
lang.
Okay lang. It was shown in GMA News TV. So, yun nga, we were taping. It was really taking a lot of time from me kasi ang taping namin days and weeks. And parang close na ako sa bar exams. So, nung dumating na yung bandang September and October, kasi ang exams is November, sinabihan ko yung producer na, I'm sorry, but okay naman sa kanila na I have to focus on this na because, you know, I have to think about yung long-term and priorities. Kasi yung fame na nakukuha natin minsan sa TV, it doesn't guarantee you at all. But this one, if I'll pass this one, of course, I can help and give better future to my family and parents. So,
Sino ang
ayun.
biggest motivator mo, attorney? Like, do you have parang role model na attorney din sa iyong family or friends?
Actually, I'm the only lawyer in our family. Ang mga uncles ko and my father is an architect and engineers. But they became my source of inspiration, both my parents, because at the time also of my review, my mother was suffering from cancer. She was a cancer survivor. So one of my motivators also is that I have to pursue this to help my parents to get by because yung ang gastos ng having cancer, just the chemotherapy and the gastos sa hospital and professional fees of doctors.
Bago ka legal officer sa Mabalacan City, nag-practice ka, di ba?
For very short
Very
time
short
lang, 2 months, 3 months, and then I transferred here. I used to work in Quezon City, but we have a small firm, but I really worked as a brand manager sa isang resort, and yun nga, yung social media and all that.
Speaking of social media,
Okay.
nakikita namin sa mga newsfeed or sa timeline mo, yung mga hugot.
Okay, yes.
Where do you get those hugot from? Or meron ka ba talagang pinaghuhugutan?
Well, actually, yun yung ang problem nga. People ask me, but may hugot ka? But in reality, I have to explain to them that banats and hugots are entirely different.
Yeah.
My
Nabasa
posts,
ko yun.
yes, my posts are not hugots, but more of banats. So, when you speak of banats, these are actually pick-up lines. When you speak of hugots, ito yung mga deep emotions na bitter. But I'm a happy person, so.
Tama.
Actually, mga Kapampangan are very, malakas ang sense of humor.
Yes.
And very, reflective of you.
Oo. Kasi kahit pag nakita mo yung mga banat niya, mga hugot, isa matatawa ka eh.
Pero, more on personal question.
Okay.
So, meron ka bang inspiration or boyfriend? Or
Well, legally speaking,
Yes.
I'm single.
legally speaking.
Legally speaking, I'm single. I'm not
But you're
married.
dating?
Yeah.
Wala namang masama sa dating.
Wala naman.
Kailan ka ba ikakasal? Napunta sa iyo.
Kasal agad, tito. Wag muna. Boyfriend muna.
Ganun ba yun?
I think she's too young pa naman. Di ba?
27.
Bata pa. Just like me.
How old are you, attorney?
I
Never
stuck
mind.
sa 26.
You stop
I'm
counting.
forever 26.
Forever 21.
Yes.
Pag-usapan naman natin yung bago mong work ngayon bilang isang legal officer. No?
Yes.
Ano-ano ba ang trabaho ng isang legal officer?
Ang unang main trabaho namin is to assist the mayor, guide him kung this is still considered constitutional ba or hindi, mga executive orders. And also, we also assist and provide legal opinions sa ating mga SP kasi they are the ones who are gumagawa ng mga ordinances natin. So, ang ginagawa nila, they give us a copy or draft ng mga EOs, ng mga ordinances nila, and then we'll review if it's still constitutional or unconstitutional, and then we'll try to revise it and give our opinion so they can actually revise and enact that ordinance. And also, sa mga ibang departments namin, kung may mga memorandum ba silang kailangang isubmit, is it within the law? Yun na din ginagawa namin.
For checking. May options ka naman, attorney, na yun nga sabi kanina, corporate law, yung maging, yung mas malaking chances, mas maraming opportunities. Pero why did you choose to work in the government?
Well, yung personality ko kasi, hindi ako bang public, like maging councilor or mayor, but you can actually help in a lot of ways, di ba? Since naniniwala ako, if you do good, you'll be receiving more good things. So, that's a part of the kind of service I can give to people.
Is Mabalacat City your hometown talaga?
Yes, yes.
So, is that also why na you chose Mabalacat City to
Yes.
the government?
Siguro pag pasok ni attorney sa courtroom, lahat napapatingin. Abogado ba yan o artista? No? Di ba? Anong feeling mo noon? Napapatingin sila.
Kasi baguhan lang ako lawyer, so I still get that jitters when I enter the trial court. As in, literally, naliligo ako ng pawis from head to toe. Especially, pag nakasabay mo yung mga veterano na natin, mga lawyers here in Pampanga, and they know that you're a newbie, ay nako.
Uli ba?
Yes, they will actually.
Ay, yung mga viewers natin, baka hinahanap si Ins, no?
Oo nga.
Nag-judge po si Ins kahit hindi siya abogado.
Yes.
Diba?
Naging horado.
Oo, naging
Horado
horado.
bigla.
Kasi po, piyesta. Fiesta ng
Fiesta
San
ng San
Fernando.
Fernando. So, it's a month-long celebration. Maraming activities, no? And one of those is yung Little Miss Fernandina.
At saka yung mutya, di ba naging mutya ka rin?
Mutya ng batya? No, just a runner-up.
Si attorney, hindi ka ba naging
Pageant.
parte ng mga beauty pageants?
Yes,
noon?
when I
Diba?
was my younger days, yes, I did. Miss Mabalacat.
Mabalacat.
Oo, yan. Oo. Miss
Ang
Mabalacat.
daming hats na wini-wear ni attorney, no? Lawyer.
And then,
Plus artista.
Kasi kahit lawyer na siya, di ba, yung IBP merong pa-contest pa yan,
yes,
di ba?
I also joined the recent Miss IVP.
Oo, nakita ko nga yung pictures nyo eh. Pinover pa ng GNN yun.
Naalala ko si attorney Maria Teresa Licaros, yung dating binibining Pilipinas, who is also a lawyer. No? Parang nakikita kita sa kanya.
Oh, yeah, thank you. She's a very beautiful woman.
Yes. So,
Siyempre.
sa dami ng mga na-achieve mo na attorney, ano pa, kumbaga, for a
Ano
regular
pa yung gusto
girl.
niya?
Diba?
Yes.
Parang, nakuha ko na lahat ng pangarap ko. Ano pang dreams ni Attorney Tanya?
Siguro, well, I want to have my parents experience yung mga medyo, kasi they sacrificed a lot for us, di ba? So, this time, I want to give back to them. And then, after then, siguro settle down with a family. Every woman does want to have that.
Sarap ng usapan.
Oh,
No?
man.
Kaya lang, kailangan na naman tayong mag-break. I-break mo na.
Ayan, wag po kayong aalis at magbabalik po ang Lifestyle
at iba pa.
Maraming kwento ng buhay sa mundo. Iba't iba ang larawan nito.
Himbalang litrato, awbalo ko yung totoo.
Sa gitna ng kwentong sa akin ay tumatak.
Ikit ako.
Sinamahan,
Pakiramdaman.
tinagaan ang kung ano ang mabigat sa loob ko.
Kaya be mo, kayantabe mo.
Manpower service problems? Avoid the hassles of recruitment, training, allocation of benefits, and other labor demands. For your sanitation, maintenance, and janitorial requirements, we've got the solution for you. Forerunner Services Incorporated will provide a competent and professional workforce your company needs, and more. Forerunner, revolution in manpower services.
Uy! Uy!
Try the new pan pizza, only at Pizza Hut.
Ayan, nagbabalik ang Lifestyle at iba pa. Kasama niyo pa rin po, Tito Benny G, Carmi Tolentino, and Attorney Tanya.
Ang pinakamagandang abogada.
Yes.
No? Yan. Ano pa ang pwede mong itanong kay attorney para naman alaman din ng ating mga viewers ang tungkol kay attorney?
Ako, very curious ako kasi kanina ang daming dinidiscuss si Attorney tungkol sa daily activities niya. Parang, yung isang araw parang kulang na kulang. So,
Actually, yes.
parang bigyan mo kami ng walkthrough sa day in the life of Attorney Tanya.
Okay, daily routine.
Ganda mo na.
Ano ba? So, morning, of course, papaganda tayo. And then I go to work until 5 o'clock and then I teach at night. I have days that I teach at night, 6 to 9. And then there are days naman, if I don't have classes naman, I go to the gym with my best friend. Nandito tayo.
Where do you teach po?
Is it okay? I teach at City College of Angeles.
City College, no? Meron din tayo City College.
Oh,
diba?
San Fernando,
Oo.
yes.
Sa ginagawa ni attorney na umaga pa lang, hapon, gabi, wala na nga siyang time.
For love?
Oo. Meron pa ba?
Meron! Kaya yan! Pag gusto, kaya.
Maisisingit, di ba?
Kaya yan.
Meron na bang sinisingit?
Meron na bang nananalo? Nananalo sa race? I'm sure maraming,
Hindi natin paano, no?
di ba? I'm sure maraming nakapila kay attorney. Pero siguro masyado pang excited si attorney ngayon sa kanyang daily routine.
Meron ka na ba na experience na nakalaban mo isang abogado, na kaibigan mo rin?
Buti na lang, wala pa naman.
Wala pa.
But we are, magkakakilala lang kami dito sa Pampanga na yung iba nakaklase mo, yung iba naging mentors mo. So when inside the courtroom, literally trabaho lang. Right after, walang personalan, trabaho lang.
Tama yun. Siguro sabihin, galing mo naman attorney. Saan mo kinukuha? Saan mo hinuhugot yung sinasabi mo sa loob ng korte? Pagka ba, halimbawa, natapos na yung pag-work mo sa LGU, saan mo gustong magtayo ng law firm? Manila o dito sa Pampanga?
Dito din sa Pampanga.
Willing ka bang, usually, palagi kong naririnig sa mga abogado, yung pro bono.
Pro bono.
Yan, pro bono.
Yes. Actually, even if nasa LGU ako, there are certain people na pumupunta, lumalapit sa amin, and we sometimes give free consultations. And then, kung hindi nila afford talaga we also give free notaries sa mga, especially lumalapit ng assistants, mga indigent. Not necessarily indigent, basta pag nakita ko naman, medyo hirap sila, like especially mga nilalapit nila sa amin, mga promissory notes ng hospital bills, yung mga ganon, hindi na namin sila hindi na namin sila sinisingil. Parang, you know the feeling that you have nothing, then you were given this kind of I want to give that to people too.
Let me go back to the parang pinakauna. Since, di ba, parang dream mo maging lawyer, even nung bata ka pa.
Yes.
What was your parang deciding point na, maglo-law ako?
Actually, when I was really young, I never imagined myself being inside the courtroom. I just tell my mom na I want to be a lawyer. For some reason, I don't know. But when I worked nung nagkatrabaho na ako right after college, and then I experienced, yung mga na-experience ko, everyday life, ganito lang, parang I don't wanna be just like this. So, nung nagtayo sila ng law school dyan sa Angeles City, and then I decided na I wanna go to law school. Parang ganun. And then,
Tuloy-tuloy na.
Yeah, tuloy-tuloy na.
Ilang years kang nag-aaral sa AUF?
Sa AUF, 4 years. And
tapos
then I transferred sa Manila.
How was it studying at the same time working in Manila? Medyo doon, di ba, parang very busy ang lifestyle doon.
Yes, but when I transferred in Manila, doon ako nag-start mag-modeling. So I can actually handle my time na. Unlike before, here, di ba, you're working 8 to 5. Doon na, I was really focused on my studies. And then, yung mga projects na lang, kung okay sa schedule, then I'll accept it. If not, then...
Sa trabaho mo ngayon, okay lang ba yung pagka sa mga kasamahan mo, wala bang jealousy, di ba? Sa mga ganon, sa office.
Sa office, wala naman akong na-experience though. Takot na lang.
May takot sa ko.
Wala naman ako na-experience though, but you know, you cannot actually, di naman talaga nawawala na. Sometimes you get jealous of other people, you get envious and all that. But
Kasi
so
sabihin
far, wala naman akong na-experience
Sabihin
pa
nila,
naman.
kabago-bago, di ba? O legal officer na kagad, o ganyan.
Do you see yourself parang doing this for a very long time? Yung nasa government as city legal
Yes.
officer.
I am enjoying my work right now.
Eh pagdating ng panahon, kung sabihin tumakbo ka sa government position, sa Mabalacat.
Yes,
Councilor,
yes.
Vice Mayor, and even
I'm
Mayor.
not closing my doors though, but I haven't seen actually myself. You know, I can help a lot of people in other ways naman. Diba? Like, being a legal officer naman sa Mabalacat City, sometimes I give consultations, sometimes I give free notaries. And all that.
Baka nga maging kasing sikat mo pa yung mga city councilors na nilalapitan eh.
Actually, ganun
Diba?
yan. Para kaming lalapit sila pag may gusto silang lapitan about kay Mayor, kami yung nilalapitan nila.
Kayo yun talaga sinasanggunian.
Oo, kasi kung may puntahan mo si attorney, siya ang nakakaalam dyan.
Parang ganun na din.
Parang siya na rin ang mayor.
Tama.
Parang ganun na din.
How is it working with the elected officials? Hindi ba nakakaminsan nakaka-frustrate? Or, kasi, of course, parang ikaw yung nasa harap eh. Ikaw yung harap bago yung war, kumbaga. You're protecting the name of the elected officials, the city as a whole, no? How is it working with them?
Actually, we have no problem with our elected officials naman. Especially our mayor is very very kind and very accommodating. So kami lahat din namang staff ng Mabalacat City, pag may lumapit sa amin ng tulong, whether financial, medical, or legal, ano pa man, we entertain them and we accommodate them. And then we try our best really to accommodate these people and give our services to them. Kahit elected official pa yan, kabilang kampo man yan, we still give that kind of service to them. So actually, there's no problem at all.
Siya, parang siya na ang mayor, no? Kasi alam lahat niya kung ano yung
Ins and
gustong
outs.
gawin ni mayor. Ano ang mga darating na projects na gustong gawin ni mayor ngayon sa City of Mabalacat?
May plano silang gumawa ng bagong city hall in the center of Mabalacat City. Hopefully within 2 years na ma-construct na siya, na matapos na yon, where all cities and services that we can provide to people nasa isang lugar na lang siya.
Parang one-stop shop na.
Yes, it's in the heart of Mabalacat. It's the center. Para hindi sila parang they can from different ng Mabalacat, they can actually go there, easy access. We can provide it freely and all that.
Kasi ako nakapasyal na rin sa City of Mabalacat, doon sa City Hall nila. Ngayon, no? Yung pamamalakad talaga, malaki yung pagbabago.
Malaki po ang pagbabago.
Kaya yung mga tao, gusto nila, maganda. Very accommodating nga sila. Pagpunta mo ron, may kape ka pa.
Wow! What's the super And then, meron din sa iba.
Para sa inyo. Diba?
Smiling lahat yung tao. Pagpasok mo, nakasmile talaga sila.
Bawal nakasimama.
Bawal ang nakasimama.
Lalo na siguro ngayon, pagpasok pala ng City Hall, tapos pumunta sila sa legal office, makikita agad nila magandang attorney.
Attorney, yung bang office mo, hindi naka-close?
Medyo enclosed po siya, so you really have to open.
Pero pwede pumasok.
Pwede po.
Pumatok lang.
Pwede
Pumatok
bumisita
lang.
si Tito Benny.
Pwede po. Actually, kahit kumatok, pwede po. Marami po pumapasok po doon.
Sige, papasyalan natin.
Oo nga.
Wala bang password?
Wala naman po.
Sige. Bukod sa City Hall, ano pa itong binibigay na mga services sa ating mamamayan?
We give financial assistance, medical assistance. Meron tayong mga agreements with big hospitals here in Pampanga. Pag kailangan po nilang tulong, medical, financial, punta lang po sila sa amin. May mga certain requirements like, of course, kailangan natin constituents ng Mabalacat City and all that, just to prove that. And then we can actually help. We also have the pharmacy. Nagbibigay din po kami ng mga gamot. Tapos may mga tulong rin po kami binibigay sa ating mga senior citizens and PWDs, mga ganun po.
Kasi napaka-progressive
Ang
ng
dami
Mabalacat.
educational assistance we also have, because we have the City College also in Mabalacat.
Yun nga, napaka-progressive ng Mabalacat. Kaya yung traffic dyan, medyo pa-traffic na rin.
Medyo
Ano
Medyo
ang
naman.
balak ninyo dito sa problema sa traffic. Para dito sa San Fernando.
Actually, they have already constructing alternate routes kasi mayroong jam talaga within the market ng Mabalacat. So, if you're from
Parang
Angeles,
bypass, no?
yes, if you're from Angeles or from Clark, mayroon parang siyang alternate route. I think mag-i-exit siya somewhere in San Joaquin. Para hindi na
napapasok
sila,
sa loob.
yes, hindi sila congested dun sa mismong intersection kung saan lahat pumapasok from Magalang, Clark, Angeles, Tarlac. Meron na silang alternate route.
Okay, pag-uusapan uli natin yan mamaya. Pero kailangan din natin mag-break. Huwag po kayong aalis at magbabalik ang lifestyle at iba pa. Ha?
Uy! Uy!
Try the new pan pizza, only at Pizza Hut.
Nasa lifestyle at iba pa, ang ating pinag-uusapan ngayon ay tungkol sa Mabalacat City at ang ating bisita ay si Attorney Tanya na isang acting legal officer ng Mabalacat City. Attorney, ano-ano yung mga bagong inintroduce ni Mayor nung siya ay umupo?
Marami. Sobrang daming bagong, kaya bilib na bilib yung mga tao ng mga Mabalacat. First, of course, yung mga medical assistants natin, they can actually go to big hospitals here inside Pampanga. Kung may nararamdaman sila, then just go to us to give them assistance. Meron tayong mga consultants, may mga schedules po sila, so they have free checkups. Mas i-check lang po ng schedule kung ano po yung doktor na kailangan nila. Meron po kami mga OB, pediatrician, mga neuro, iba-iba po klase yan. So may mga schedule po kaming nakapaskil sa City Hall. So if they want to take advantage of that service, punta lang po sila doon. Meron silang free checkup. Meron din po kaming pharmacy. Sometimes we give free medicines also sa ating mga constituents. Tapos meron mga assistance din po tayo sa education, financial assistance, and also Meron din po kaming mga, tulad nung last time, yung paglilinis po ng ating mga cemetery within Mabalacat City na initiative ni
ang Mabalacat
City.
Sila nagpalinis ng mga
Opo,
public cemetery.
public cemeteries.
Ayan. So, attorney, kanina you gave us a glimpse ng yung daily routine, daily lifestyle, no? May naisisingit ka pa bang sports or activities bukod sa gym?
Well, yun, Zumba. I do also boxing and Muay Thai. Swimming.
Wow.
Nakakatakot
Yun.
pala.
Oo nga, hindi siya pwedeng,
Swimming.
don't mess with her.
Yes.
Marunong siya mag-Muay Thai.
Also, swimming, it's a very good exercise and also a very good sport.
Meron ka ba, attorney, parang sa utak mo na itong clock, itong pie na to para sa activities sa
Yes. Parang I get frustrated when I don't get to, hindi ko masunod yung
to do this activity?
Yes, parang naka-mindset na ako
Naka-program.
na dapat this day magawa ko to. Parang ganun.
So, ganun ka bang klaseng parang yung tao na you set your goals and then you stick to it? Or more on spontaneous ka?
Spontaneous lang din. If I find this very interesting, then I'll try it. Kaya ang dami kong na-try sa buhay. Ang dami kong napasok ang trabaho, ang dami kong pinasok ang activities, ang dami kong tinry na sports. Siguro, it helped me, actually, who I am now. Kasi I get to develop a lot of skills from learning from different activities.
Attorney, kung magkakaroon ka ng boyfriend o magkakaroon ka ng asawa sa susunod na mga panahon, ano ba? Gusto mo pareho kayong abogado o iba ang linya ng pamumuhay niya?
It's okay naman kung maging lawyer siya, but it doesn't really matter to me as long as, I get to learn new things from him. Kasi kung abogado din siya, more likely, ano ba pag-uusapan namin, di ba? Mas prefer ko siguro if different interest niya. I get to share him new things, he shares new things to me too.
Alam ko na, magaling sa tax.
Yes. Magaling sa tax. So, CPA ba to?
Magaling sa tax.
Sige nga, attorney, pwede ba namin malaman ang ideal man? Or ang hinahanap ni attorney?
Pinapawisan na naman siya.
Well, it has to be funny. Nakita niyo naman yung Facebook ko, no? Kung gaano ako kailangan ganun din siya. Kasi, at the end of the day, no matter how good looking you are, di ba? If you can't make me laugh, parang,
Wala.
Boring, di ba?
boring.
What else aside from sense of humor?
Well, he has to be actually physically active because that's me. I can share my activities with him too. Tapos, of course, he has to be witty.
Tuturuan niya ng boxing.
Pero siguro hindi ko siya tuturuan ng boxing. Ako magbaboxing sa kanya. O, pinainit niya muna ako, kawawa ka.
Kailangan ba Kapampangan?
Di naman, pero I prefer Kapampangan because we share the same culture with food.
Yes.
Especially with food.
Sasabihin nito, magluto ka na.
Speaking of pagluluto.
So I lived in Manila for how many years? Hahanapin mo pa rin yung Kapampangan. Especially with interest sa pagkain. Iba talaga tayo pagdating sa pagkain. Ay, mahilig pa naman ako kumain.
Pero mahilig kumain.
Mahilig ako kumain.
Sexy.
Oo, diba? Hindi, nag-gym daw. Tsaka ang dami activities ni attorney. Nagluluto ka ba, attorney? Bilang Kapampangan?
Yes, I can cook. I can cook. Pero yung lutong pang lola.
Nilaga.
Itong itlog. Sisig.
Sisig. Dahil Kapampangan are known for
sisig.
Diba?
Mahilig si attorney mag-malling?
Not really. Actually, mga spare time ko, I just spend them at home watching movies. Ganun.
So more on parang homebody.
Yes.
Matipid ba si attorney o?
Sobra.
Parang yung pagka-Ilocano.
Sobrang tipid. I won't waste a lot of money on a certain thing kung meron naman ako mabibili with the same quality which is way cheaper than that.
Tama. Pareho kayo.
Yes. Trait na rin ng Kapampangan. Pero ang Kapampangan kasi usually more sabi nila maluho daw and all.
Paano ba? In
Maporme
Manila,
siguro,
they're
no?
more known as mayabang. Kasi kahit wala silang pera, maporma tayo, di ba?
Pero isa lang talaga masasabi ko kay attorney. She has everything. Ang ganda, masipag.
Thank you.
Lawyer.
Ngayon, nakilala na natin siya talaga. Ano? Kasi actually, ngayon ko lang siya nakita personal.
Thank you po.
No? Ano masasabi mo?
Ayun, masasabi ko talaga, you're worth emulating, sabi nga.
Wow.
Pwede maging role model ng mga kabataan ngayon.
Which is one of my goals, yes, and advocacies.
Kasi lalo na yung mga kabataan ngayon, more on yung medyo na sa studies, na frustrate. Pag na-frustrate, pag nag-fail, mag-give up agad.
Yes,
Pero,
I find them like that.
Pero sa nakita ko kay attorney ngayon,
Madaling ma-depress.
She's very
yung-
Madaling sila ma-depress. That's why when I'm hosting also, I host events too, especially sa mga activities na mga pa-dance contest, mga ganyan. I am encouraging the youth, yung mga younger ones natin na, you get involved with different activities like what I do. Diba? I have thirst for knowledge, I have thirst for learning, I have, in order to divert your attention, if you feel sad, you have friends that will support you, you have activities that will make you superior if you feel inferior. And I also encourage our parents also to let your children be involved in different kinds of activities. Kasi hindi lang sila magiging busy, hindi lang ma-divert attention. They get to develop their communication skills, their confidence, their personality. It will boost their confidence, their self-esteem, and a lot of things.
Siguro, bigyan natin siya ng pagkakataon na magbigay ng magagandang message sa mga kabataan, sa mga
aspiring lawyers.
Yung gustong maging lawyers din, anong dapat nilang gawin?
Okay, paano ba start? For the younger ones that they look up to people like us, di ba? If you have dreams, don't be afraid to pursue and make it a reality, because one day, if you're already there, it's very rewarding. It's one of the things that no person can take away. Maalis nila sa inyo. It's a kind of gift also you can give to your parents. And be involved with different activities like dancing, sports, entertainment, pageantry, and all that. Because hindi lang sila nakakatulong bilang tao. It will also expose you to different things and get the chance to interact with different people. And also will make you a better person. Tapos sa mga tao naman na magustong maging abogado, pagpatuloy nyo lang yan. Kasi I'm encouraging even my friends, why don't you enter law school? And then you'll see. Kung hindi mo kaya, then, but if it's really your passion, if you're really into it, you will find it very interesting and very rewarding.
May mga nagtatanong, pwede ka ba raw i-add sa Facebook?
Yes. Just follow. Just click on the follow button.
Dapat yata may fan page na si attorney.
Dapat. Hindi lang doon sa
hindi lang
page, no?
personal profile.
Okay. Bago tayo magtapos, ito ang ating verse for the week. It will be terrible for people who cause even one of my little followers to sin. Yan po ay matatagpuan sa Matthew 18:6. Courtesy ito ni Councilor Reden Halili.
Hello.
At ito naman ang ating mga sponsors na pasasalamatan.
Ayan. Pasalamatan po natin si Miss Georgina Baluyot Gabrilio, our official makeup artist. Maraming salamat po. Also, Pizza Hut Robinson Star Mills, care of Miss Jacqueline Sunga, our store manager. Teresita Razon Halo Halo and Pansit Palabok. Merce Agustin Sikat of Selfie Cake. Dr. Elizabeth Ocampo Canlas of Angelinas Optical. Maraming salamat din kay Cold Zone Air Conditioning and Installation Services. Hebrew Frapogalo. And
Benetre, yung kay Hans Lee, no?
Yes.
Attorney, baka meron kang gustong batiin?
Well, binabati ko po ang lahat ng taga-Mabalacat, especially sa aking boss, si Mayor Garbo and Attorney Ignacio, and of course, our newly elected Vice Mayor, Attorney Geld, and all the SP officials. And also my parents who are watching right now, my proud mother, Miss Grace, and my Papa Edgar, and also ang aking best friend na sinuportahan ako ngayon, Miss Helen Zamoranos.
Ayan, hello din daw kay Miss Michelle Munoz Oronce. Thank you for watching. And Salon de Sebrano, located at Sindalan, and Mang Ken's Chili Paste. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Attorney.
Thank you po
sa
for having
inyong
me here.
pagpapaunlak sa aming imbitasyon.
It was a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Sana sa susunod, kita-kita tayo.
Yes, I can also be your guest co-host.
Yes. Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. Sana po ay nabigyan namin kayo ng kahit konting kasiyahan at kaalaman sa oras na ito. Hanggang sa susunod na episode ng ating programa, ang Lifestyle at Iba Pa. Ako po si Benny G.
Ako po si Carmi Tolentino.
Maraming salamat po. Kita-kita tayong muli.
Lagning aldo, arapan mengke kang bie. Dumiman kat magkanta, pasalamat king mimye. Pampanga, sa sulat mo. Man nganing pamangan, ing lutong kapampangan, sisig, pindang at puro, tagilo, kamaru.
Tingangasan gulang lang, kilo pangan asado, pansit luglug talangga, biringi pesa umang. Mekeni tukika, malaos ka Pampanga, mekeni tukika, mamasyal na Pampanga. Abe-abe, tuki-tuki, libot-libot, turot-turot, etuke, abe, mamasyal na Pampanga.
Balen na mitmuging lagu, kailangan dumayo. King patagman no bundok, dumurot ka bunto. Mekeni tukika, malaos ka Pampanga. Mekeni tukika, mamasyal ka Pampanga. Abe-abe, tuki-tuki, libot-libot, turot-turot, etuke, abe, mamasyal ka Pampanga.
Isambantang pagmarakul, matmong balen ng apu, parang leking parobang, bundok ning alaya.
Mekeni tukika, malaos